So here is how to invest 1 million naira as a complete beginner in the market. Probably you are just coming to the financial market and you want to invest 1 million naira. You are looking for a better way to invest. I'm the one that wanted to invest 1 million naira. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put, because I'm just a beginner entering the market, I'm just going to put 70% of my income, 70% into money market mutual funds. Okay, so money market mutual funds is more like when you are doing a contribution, right? But there are some people called investment managers. These are the people that help you manage this money and put it into a very low risk investment. Okay, that will not make you lose your capital. Okay, I'm going to invest to especially Stanbic IBTC mutual funds. I think right now they do between 17 to 18%. Okay, 17 to 18%. So meaning if I invest 700,000 naira, I'll be earning 1,000, right? So I'll put 70% of my money, then where I will be earning like 18 to 17%, which is fine. Then the 30%, what I'm going to do before I invest, I'm going to invest into stock market. But before I invest into stock market, I'm going to look for somebody that have gained mastery in stock market, like Coach David that is you are watching right now, right? I'm going to learn a little bit about stock market, how to be profitable. Then I'm going to push 30% of my income, which is around 300,000 naira, into stock market. I'm not just going to pick any random stock. I'm going to learn from the experts. Okay, so if you want to learn more about how to be profitable from the Nigerian and the US stock market, do well to join our community. There's a link around this video. Click on it to join our community, and I'm going to see you in the next video.